Hey everyone, how are you doing? Hey, today I'm putting the final touches on an Oldsmobile Custom, originally built by Larry Watson 1 million years ago. What I'm doing here is I'm putting the final touches on all of the different grays on the painting. Most of my paintings use 3 grays, black, white, and 1 or 2 colors. All my paintings start and end with black. Here you can see I'm cutting in all the colors. And last but not least, putting the final touches on my signature. Now on the back, I'm going to make some aluminum brackets. I'll start with some aluminum channel that I cut with the chop saw. Then I drill out these channels, one hole bigger on top and a smaller one on the bottom. Now I screw these into the back. Then I'll put my signature down. And it's ready to hang on the wall. The paint I use is Alpha Enamel. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed my painting.